Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I want to welcome you to Even a Beauty Artist channel, beauty and creative makeup. So let's get started. As you can see, I already applied PLouise Rumor shade 02 to prep my eyes, and this is my favorite current product for prepping the eyes. Today we're going to do this beautiful deep silver / green spotlight makeup look. Using AMC Gel Eyeliner in 77 from Inglot, I'm positioning this spotlight look on my eyes. Once the edges are well blended, I'm using from Illamasqua Artistry Elemental Palette black eyeshadow to set everything, and before that I'm using Wet n Wild Follow Focus Natural Finish Setting Spray just to make this eyeshadow really intense. Take your time to blend eyeshadow, and remember, the more time you take to blend your eyeshadow, every next eyeshadow you apply will look better and it will be easier to blend it because previous eyeshadow has already been really nicely blended. Moving on to our next eyeshadow from the same palette, it's this silver matte color. Now I'm positioning this eyeshadow all around this black color. I'm trying to leave the center untouched, so I blend it all around. From the same palette, matte white eyeshadow, applying that underneath my eyebrow, following shimmer white eyeshadow from Makeup Factory. This is Eye Colors 03 mini palette. I actually don't know the real name of this palette, so that's all I know. Now to give this outer corner a bit of shimmer and more darkness, I'm using from this Makeup Factory palette Deep Shimmer Silver color. It's almost like black, but it's actually silver toned. Here I'm working with few brushes. The reason is this inner corner of your eye. The area is really small, so it's difficult to blend anything with the bigger brushes. Now, here's a tip. If you want to achieve huge contrast between your colors, use white base. Even though your natural skin color can be really light, it's not light enough to make the contrast that you maybe want to achieve. So that's the reason why I'm using white base first, and this is Rumor shade 0. This is pure white color, and it will help me to really separate my light colors from darkest colors. To set this base, I'm using first matte white color, then shimmer white color that I already applied. As I wanted to achieve really shimmery look for this spotlight idea, I decided to use Foil Play Pigment palette from NYX. First palette I'm using is Magnetic Pull, but before I even apply them, I'm using Glitter Primer, again from NYX, just to make these pigments really intense and to stay in place. Let me just say how beautiful these pigments are. Their reflection is so beautiful. To connect our center with the outer corner, I'm using small brush. Now I'm just gonna go back with this dark eyeshadow to bring back that darkness that I've lost since applying this pigment. Now, these two pigments are from different palettes. This one is Limit Love, but they work so beautifully together. So once I swatched them one next to each other, I realized how beautiful they go together. And I decided this one is going to be my main bright center color for this spotlight look. However, I had to apply it a few times. This eyeliner look is super basic. I'm following my natural eye shape. For my lower lash line, I used same products, same techniques, but one thing, however, is different, and that is the middle part of my waterline. It's actually, I wanted to left it bright. So for this purpose I used blank canvas from PLouise, so that way black eyeliner won't mix with my light eyeliner and that everything stays clear. And if you want to avoid mixing colors, then your product needs to be really waterproof. Otherwise, everything will mix up and you will get another, I don't know, custom color. And for finishing touch, I'm curling my eyelashes and applying some mascara before I apply my false eyelashes. I'm also using some individual lashes. I will link everything down in the description box. Thank you again for being with me today throughout this whole process. Your support means a lot. If you would like to see more of my looks, be free to check out some of these videos. And I will see you in my next one. Bye!